Good morning, student. Now continue exercise number 8.1. Question number 5. In this question, sec theta equal to 13 upon 12. Calculate all the other trigonometric ratio. Means you find the remaining 5. Last time also I told you that if one trigonometric ratio is given, you can find out all other trigonometric ratio with the help of this method. Now sec theta 13 upon 12. Sec means hypo upon adjacent. This triangle ABC. B is right angle. Right angle A. Here we write theta. This side is opposite. This is adjacent and hypo. So hypo is 13 and adjacent is 12. So first you find out this opposite side. So in triangle ABC, B is a right angle. Right? Therefore, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Right? 13 square equal to AB 12 plus BC square. Therefore, BC square equal to 169 minus 144. So BC square equal to 25. Therefore, BC equal to 1. Now this opposite side is 1. Okay. Now then, if you know all the three sides, you will find all other trigonometric ratio. Now all other trigonometric ratio means first we start from sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sine. What is sine? Sine means opposite upon hypo. BC upon AC. 5 upon 30. Then cos adjacent upon hypo. AB upon AC. Right? This is 12 upon 30. Tan opposite upon adjacent. 5 upon 2. Cot adjacent upon opposite. And last, which cosec? Cosec means hypo upon opposite. Pi upon 30. Correct? So here in this question, sec theta 13 upon 12. First you find out the remaining side and write all the 6 trigonometric ratios and their value. Now next question number 6 and 7. Now in question number 6, see what is given. If A and B, right? Question number 6. If A and B are acute angle, right? Angle A and angle B are an acute angle. Correct? And cos A equal to cos B. Cos A equal to cos B. Then if cos A, suppose this angle ABC, right? This is cos A. Cos A equal to what? Adjacent AB upon AC. Correct? Is equal to, right? Here suppose C and here B. Cos B. Cos B means BC upon adjacent upon hypo. Right? Here AB. So what is for ABC? This triangle ABC. C. Again A, B and C is right angle. Cos A. Cos A means if angle A, adjacent side is AC upon hypo AB. Then cos B, this angle adjacent side is, this is adjacent BC upon AB. Correct? AB cancel. AC equal to BC. These two sides are equal. So angle A is equal to angle B. Both the angles are equal. Correct? By Resubstitute by putting the values, the ratio of cos A, adjacent hypo, hypo cancel, AC equal to BC, opposite angles are also equal, angle B equal to angle A. Now question number 7. In this question, see, this is the most important question. Question number 7. What is the value of cos theta? Cos theta equal to 7 upon 8, and find the value, right? Only one, then find 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Right? Okay. So what is cot theta? Cot theta equal to A, B, C. Other method is also formula method, but here I discussed with that method, right? Cot means adjacent or hypo. 7 and 8. You find out the AC square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. What is the value of AB? 7 square plus 8 square. 7 means 49, 64, right? 13, 113. AC equal to under root 113. What is the value of sine? Right? You resubstitute the value. Sin theta, right? Sin theta equal to opposite 8 upon 113, or cos theta equal to adjacent 7 upon under root 113. Resubstitute the value, right? 1 minus sin theta means 8 upon under root 113. 1 plus 8 upon under root 113 divided by 1 minus cos minus 7 upon under root 113, and 1 minus 7 upon under root 113. Okay, A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square, 1 minus 8 square means 64 upon 113, or here 1 square, 1 minus 7, 49 upon 113. So 113 minus 64 means 49 upon 113 minus 49, 64, right? So the answer is 49 upon 64. Okay, and second number is complete. Cot square, right? So cot square equal to, cot means 7 upon 8 square. So 7 upon 8 square means 49 upon 64. Correct? Both are equal. Okay. So you complete these two questions. Which two questions? 5, 6 and 7. Right? Okay. So you write in your class work 5, 6, 7.